This healing acceleration sleeve lets you
If I want to stay on my game, I gotta throw on my the TheraICE RX sleeve.
An all-in-one heat and cold therapy wrap.
My name is Dr. Corey Baker. I'm a physical therapist specializing in rehabilitation and sports medicine. Currently, over 100 million Americans experience discomfort or chronic pain in their knee area. Cold therapy and compression has a long history of reducing pain, swelling, and inflammation. The TheraICE RX sleeve does mimic professional cryotherapy. But what really makes the TheraICE RX sleeve unique and effective is its design. Number one, it is meant for cold therapy and heat therapy. Number two, the form-fitting sleeve provides 360 degrees of coverage, including the knee, elbow, bicep, hamstring, thigh, or ankle.
Like I said, you could heat it in the microwave so you get that circulation in your muscles, or you could freeze it like I do with most of mine.
Instantly cooling. My swelling immediately goes down and I know it's actually working.
My knee now actually has support again.
Keeping up with these kids is exhausting.
Especially if you're like me and you're someone who works out a lot or suffers from tendonitis and different things.
The guys here at the club don't even know that I have it on. No more golfer's elbow or stiff knees, none of that stuff.
This guy's still got it. I can still show the kids how it's done.
Without having to constantly adjust bags of ice or fiddle with heating pads.
Because their pain and discomfort is reduced, they spend less money on medications and physical therapy.
Try it for yourselves.
And I seriously recommend these.
You will love it.
The TheraICE sleeve.
Remember, your body is your biggest investment.